KCC311, thinking about the thousands. Welcome to the class. My name, whoa, there we go. Will Johnson, Professor Will, Mr. Johnson, how you want to call me. There's my contact info. I want to serve as a point person for you. Any questions, a resource for the class. Welcome to the class. Let me talk about the structure of our class. If you take an online courses, you know that discussion boards are a critical part of the course. It's no different here. I'll give you materials, read them, post your thoughts, respond to students, etc. However, that's one of two conversations I want to generate each week in the course. The second is the student reflections. In other words, I'm going to post everybody's student work. It's not just, oh, you submit it to me and I give you a grade. No, you submit it to me and it goes up online and everybody gets to look at it and say, hey, I like this, or this is great. It's a work in progress. Maybe you could add X, Y, and Z. You're going to offer your own thoughts, your genuine thoughts, but those are the two student conversations that we're going to have every week in this class. The second is another thing is comprehension check quizzes. If I give you an article to read or a video to watch, I'm also going to say, hey, solve a quick 3-5 question quiz just to make sure that you absorb the material. But then, of course, the main event, the main grade, weekly assignments. Every week I'll give you a homework assignment, typically centered around infographics. In other words, you're going to absorb mathematical knowledge and you'll present it in a graphic format. That'll be your weekly assignments. And, of course, those are the assignments that are going to get, you're going to have reflections on weekly. So just to get you started on week number 1, here's your Blackboard. Everybody's got one of these. Course documents is where most material lives. Week number 1, there's the folder. Right here, I have these weekly grids saying, here's the topics, here's the breakdown. Okay, you get comprehension check. I'm looking for that by Friday. And each of these folders has more materials and resources for you. Of course, any questions, you can reach out and let me know. But that is the main structure of a course. And back in Blackboard is where you'll find that. The last thing, I want to make sure you know how you feel supported in the class. Well, there's me, my contact info. That's all up on the Blackboard. But then also, we have a course YouTube channel. All the materials here, all the videos, and actually you can find videos from past terms and lots of resources there. Check it out. And of course, each other. It's not about what you individually know. It's about, hey, here's the math that you're creating together, and math, data, graphics. Watch what the other students create. Ask questions. Offer feedback. The more we make this a collaborative enterprise, I think the better it is for everybody. That's my welcome video. Obviously, reach out if you have any questions, but looking forward to the term, looking forward to getting to know each and every one of you.